So basically what I normally do to get the top of my wigs looking really flat and nice is I normally apply a generous amount of mousse, and right now I'm using the Lotta Body mousse, but you can use any mousse of your choice. So I'm just molding the mousse into the hair, making sure that there's no flyaway, making sure that there's no hair sticking out. And so basically I'm just molding the top part of the wig, the frontal or the closure. That's where I'm applying the mousse. So if I'm going for a center part or a side part, then I would make the part first, then I would apply some mousse and mold it in. Like I said, you want to mold it in, making sure that all the hair is laying flat and there's no streaks or flyaway or anything like that. So the key is to use your mousse to first get the hair flat, making sure that there's no hair sticking out. Then after that, I'm going to use my blow dryer and I'm going to use it on hot air to dry the top part of the lace. Okay, so normally you know that using mousse tends to leave your hair feeling dry, so you definitely have to dry the hair using a blow dryer on hot air to get it dry. After the hair is dry, I'm going to use my slick stick, and this is how I'm going to get the hair really flat. So as you can see, I'm applying my slick stick in the direction to how I'm going to hot comb the hair. So you definitely need to get a hot comb. Okay, so after applying the slick stick, this is when I'm going to use the hot comb to get the hair really flat. So you want to make sure that the pressing comb is really hot and you have to press it down to get it real flat. So you can always go back in and apply some more slick stick and just get the hair flat to perfection. So after getting the wig flat to my likings, I like to apply some hair polish, and this is just to add some sheen to the hair. Then I'm going to flat iron, guys. So basically this is how I prep my wigs for installation. So if you learn anything from this video, guys, please comment and let me know. Also leave a like and share, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, you can take this time and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. See you on my next video.